Preparing myself for the fuckery. This is the time that I got cheated on. Okay, this is the time I got cheated on. Yes, me. I was thinking like, you gonna do this to me, Pablo? But yes, it happens to everybody. Okay, like everybody get cheated on. Where do I start?
Me put my wig in a rubber band, slap a bitch down with the fuck shit. Y'all hoes better tighten up. Tighten up, huh? Y'all hoes better tighten up.
Okay, so 2016, at the time, that was like everybody had their best summer in 2016. In 2016, I was living with my boyfriend and I was working. In the springtime, I had stopped working. And then I just like fell into depression, blah, blah, blah. And his sister, my ex-boyfriend's sister, friend came around. Okay, so just like the summertime. So she always around, like, who is this girl? So they tell me about her, I'm like, oh, okay. You know, it wasn't my business to be her friend because like, that was not my friend. That wasn't nobody who I was to be cool with. Like, I didn't really care. I had my own friends that was coming over, like, every day we was having fun. Like, we was doing stuff. Ex. I'm looking at my desk. We're gonna name her Maurice. We're gonna name her Murray. And we're gonna name her Tights, because that's all she wore was tights. We're gonna name her Braids. So we're gonna name her Murray and we're gonna name her Braids. Okay, so Murray's sister, this is hilarious. Like I said, it wasn't really my business to be her friend because I really didn't care. Always, I don't know, to me she was like dingy. Like, I always thought she was dingy because like how she carried herself, how she dressed, how her toes used to look with her sandals on. Like, she just wasn't put together at all. And she looked older than what she was. So in my head, I'm like, y'all bitches is nearly 30 and y'all look a hot ass mess. That was just me. I took care of myself, okay? I bought my own clothes. I bought, you know, I did everything for myself. Nobody did nothing for me. Longer than I was, but I guess she stopped hanging around or whatever had happened between them. I really don't care about that. That's not my business. Beginning of 2000, let's just skip from the time she started coming around in the summertime. Let's just skip all the way to 2017. 2017 had came after she was around and I like kind of got used to her face being around. I went away. I used to suspect stuff was happening or like little stuff was like, you know, because like I seen the difference in my nigga. Like, I saw him acting weird or whatever. So like that just was like me just be like, you know, it's not really much of her that I cared about. I really cared much about him because like that was my nigga at the time. Heck, working, you know, making my money. So I leave and I go down south for 2 weeks. So I'm down south for 2 weeks and I'm with my sisters. And we was out like every night, like partying. I was just living my best life. I was having fun or whatever. It's like different sceneries. Like, I never been down south before. Like, I lied. I've been down south before, but I was younger. So being down south, like North Carolina, South Carolina, one of the Carolinas, it's a different scenery when you're older. Like, you go to strip clubs, you do all the stuff. So he like, yeah, you down there, you gotta be fucking somebody. And I'm just like, no, homeblood, I'm not fucking nobody. Like, I'm not down there doing nothing. There's nobody that's down there that piqued my interest. Like, I don't even know these niggas, okay? Like, let alone take a nigga down there serious. Really? You really think I'm gonna do that? I wasn't interested in, like, talking to him to see why he was, like, saying that I was cheating. But I wasn't. Like, I didn't know nobody down there but my sisters. It was like feeling real like weird. Like, I kept feeling funny. Every time we talked, it was an argument. Like, every time we was on the phone with each other, it was an argument. It was you doing this and you doing that and you went down there to go cheat. And I was like, so fast forward, I get back home. You know, a woman tuition. And I kept feeling funny. So he kind of told on himself because when I got back home, he was like, oh, let me take you out. Let me take you out. Let me take you on a date. 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 So I'm just like, a date or whatever. I was like, something's up. I'm gonna figure it out. So a few days pass. It's like snowing outside. It's cold. And I'm like, I got this weird feeling, something fishy on. And I know he did something. Like, I know something went on. So I logged into his Facebook. He never knew I knew the password to his Facebook. So one day he was putting it in, and I like watched him put it in, and I was like, got it. Now, I used to snoop. Like, that was me. I was like Inspector Gadget. Like, I was on shit all the time because he was a sneaky nigga and I didn't trust him. Like, that's just plain and simple. So, like, I already had trust issues with him. It was already what shit was going on before this even happened. So, like, I just was all over the place with my emotions. Like, I didn't know what not to deal with. Like, I didn't know any better. Facebook, I'm like, let me see what this nigga doing. Since I can't see his text messages, I know he be sneaking on Facebook. Why did I see something? So I seen a message. I seen a message from him and his sister. And it said, Braid's mad at you. And I'm like, what's she mad at him for? So I click on the message. And why she was like, she jealous of Sharae because she know you love her. And that's just how it go, bro. But you know what's funny? The bitch didn't even spell jealous right.
Stupid. Anyway,
told him, like, I seen the message between you and your sister. What she mad about? Why she mad you posting pictures of me? Why she mad you posting statuses of me? Like, what she mad about? Put no words in nobody's mouth. I got the receipts. I got receipts. He like, oh, she just mad because I was supposed to take them to the movies, but instead I took you out to eat. I'm like,
Bullshit.
what would she be mad for though? Like, that's stupid. Child Lord, whole day was fucking, like, the whole time. Pinpoint it. And since I couldn't pinpoint it, it just kept like just kept. 2017 was like ending, or was it like the middle? Like, I don't give a fuck. They moved, right? So I end up moving with them. I'm just so dumb. Like, oh my God. I wish my mom would have told me how stupid I looked. Like, I just look like a dummy, just a big ass dummy, just stupid. You live and you learn, you freeze and you burn, goes around, comes back around, all that good shit. We at the new house. She's the neighbor. Braid's the neighbor. Boom. Okay, so like, I'm just gonna skip through all the shit. Shit kept bothering me. Like, I try to be nice to her, try to be cool. I'm like, I'm gonna be nice. 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 But I'm like, I cannot be nice. I couldn't be nice for some reason. Like, I could not do it. So saying, nope, don't be nice to this bitch. So I'm like, nope, I ain't being nice to that bitch. Like, that's just how it was. Like, my mind and my heart was telling me no. So I said no, period. But like, I was being weird too. Like, I was acting weird because I was feeling weird vibes. Like, his sister would lie on me, and she would lie on me as well. And then he believed them over me, so he thought I was lying because they was out to get me. For some reason, they was jealous. Jealous of me for what? I don't know. Like, I'm nobody to be jealous of. Like, God, that's how I feel. It's just like, people are jealous, they do the craziest things. Like, they try to do anything to, like, fuck with your, like, your peace. And that's what they did. Like, they fucked with my peace. Now, if I was mature like how I am now, that shit would have never got to me. But since I wasn't mature and I was trying to mature, they kept fucking with my peace and fucking with my bubble. I erupted. So, like, I used to ask his little sister stuff. I used to be like, you see anything? Like, is he, like, they did something. I know they did something. And I just be like, that's fucked up. And I even asked, like, somebody that was close to him. I ain't even going to spill the beans because I should, but I'm not. It's beyond me. Like, I don't give a fuck no more. Not really. I really don't give a fuck no more. So that's why I'm not even going to do all of that. But I asked them, they fuck? You know they fuck? I got a feeling they fuck. I was like, I got a feeling they fuck. I know they fuck. And he was like, basically telling me but not telling me. He was like, whatever you think happened, it happened. I'm like, okay. I never acted on it. Like, I never fully acted on it like I should have. And that's only because I couldn't get the evidence straight from him. I had like little like things like, but I just didn't, like, to me that wasn't enough to just be like, you did it, bitch. Like, I couldn't like just, I couldn't just, you know, so I kept letting shit slide.
Stupid. Anyway,
so much drama. It was just like, it just blew me. Like, it was so much drama. And I can't even lie, I started half of the drama because I needed to know, like, did you fuck my man or not? Like, what's up? Like, what's going on? All right, look, this what happened. One day she messaged me, she like, yeah, you keep saying my name, you keep saying my name. So I did. I kept asking him, like, you was messing, like, you messed with her, like, what happened? He wouldn't tell me. So from me to asking him, he would go back to his sister and then she would tell her. So he was a messy bitch. Like, he was one of the girls, okay? He was acting like one of the girls. Like, that's all it was, like a cycle. Like, I would say something to him, he would say something to his sister would say something to Braids. So she messaged me on Facebook and was like, basically like I make her feel uncomfortable because my body language and how I act. And I told her, like, I kind of felt bad that she said that because I still have a heart. I don't know about these bitches, but I have a heart. I felt bad after a while and I was just like, damn, Sharae, you can't be doing it. Like, that's not nice. But then I was like, I don't give a fuck. I just didn't care. So, like, I'm just like, you know, like, that's cool. Like, feel uncomfortable. Like, I was just like, you shouldn't feel uncomfortable. That's not right. You know, I was going to apologize and try to be the bigger person. But then after I was going to apologize, okay, and I was going to be the bigger person. I was going to ask what actually happened. But she started getting nasty with me. So, like, trying to throw out threats. So I'm like, sis, like, I'm not about to do this with you. Like, I'm like, I'm not even gonna pay this bitch no mind. Like, I got a job, I got shit to do. Like, you worry about doing what you gotta do. Like, I'm about to worry about what I gotta do. I ain't playing no mind. So then I blocked her. So then she, no, that's not what happened. I cursed her out. I cursed her out real bad. She blocked me. Told her to go take care of her child. And you know, kids are sensitive, but at the time, I did not give a fuck. And I still don't care. I didn't say anything bad about her child. I just said, go take care of your kid. Like, worry about your kid, don't worry about me. That was all I said. She tried to indicate that I said that she was a bad mom. Never said that, never cared about your parents and like what you did. Just go worry about your kid, don't worry about me. Like, don't worry about me. So, she had inboxed me from a different Facebook. I'm like,